Hello again, everyone. So today we're going to do another Dydo opening or assembly, and this time we have a legend here, the Celica 1600 GT. So the Celica 1600 GT, this one is the first generation Celica. It's called the A20 or A30 body code, and was sold between 1970 and 1977. But the Celica line actually spans 7 generations of cars between 1970 and 2006. The word Celica actually means, it's a Latin word for Celica? I don't speak Latin, but it means heavenly or celestial. Wow, this is really on that card. Okay, so this particular Celica was actually directly aimed at the North American market. It was Toyota's answer to the Mustang. So, like the Mustang, what they did is they took a regular common sedan, a high-volume sedan, the Toyota Celica at the time, and then they put a nice attractive coupe body on it. So that's pretty much what's going on here with this car. You can see a picture here. I think it is a really attractive vehicle. That does have a 1.4 liter to 1.6 liter engine up front, 4 cylinders, and that's all I really have for the statistics of the vehicle. So let me get the camera going at a better angle. If anyone's interested, let's take a look at the interior. Yeah, some rib details there and stuff. I guess it would be pretty easy to paint if you guys are into customizing. And like Kyosho's, what you do is you pop off this interior from the base. Then you can just drop in the axles here. Now let's take a look here. Alright, so nice printing there. You know, it's fully legible, Celica, and that must be some sort of Celica logo. A little bit of contaminant there. This striping and the turn, or I don't know if that's a turn signal or just a reflector, but it's pretty good. The wheels are actually pretty good. Granted, there's no air going through here, but I think it's alright. A little silver printing here for some vent indication, so that looks good. Silver door handles alright. A little silver trim on the glass there, that's good. We got the headlights, plastic pieces, and they're really psychedelic with this weird pattern behind them. But I like it. It's different. Got a nice mesh pattern there in the grille. A little orange here under, I guess those probably are the turn signals. And then this chrome bumper. Yeah, a separate piece. Very good. I believe these things are called hood flutes. Whether they're functional or not, I don't know. But looking at pictures of the real cars, it does look like these are air vents, so they maybe do suck out air. A little bit of paint bubbling going on the roof here. A little contaminant there. Alright. Something wrong right there as well, like a stain. Weird. Okay, let's go to the back here. Seems to be a little bump here. I'm not sure if that's like a keyhole bump. Oh, wow, alright, so these are actual plastic inserted taillights. That's really nice, actually. They're really deep and thick, so I like that. I like the fake license plate. And unfortunately the exhaust tip is just black. It's part of the base, of course, so not the hottest. Ooh, this is a little rough here. The casting wasn't trimmed or molded properly. And then, yeah, paint missing there. It's just not very smooth. Like, there's a lot of chunks missing, so I'm not sure what happened there. And also, like, something's filling in the panel gap there, a little blemish there. But oh, when was this one made? Yeah, 2003, 2004. So it's an old model, at least when it was originally designed. I think it's okay for its time. It's a little less quality, I think, than Kyosho. Maybe even a little less quality than Konami, but it's in the same ballpark. They're playing the same game. I just think this is probably coming in third place. Yeah, see that bubbling. Okay, but it is a great car. It's an iconic car. If anyone knows of a better model of this Celica, please leave a comment, because I've really grown to like the whole Celica line of cars through collecting here, and I think this is one of the most attractive Celicas. I just like this this front end. I don't know, it looks like it's smiling or something. It's like talking to me or something like that. Well, anyways, let's pull out Mr. Spin Master and you can take a look at the car as well as the photo of the car, and hopefully I can find a good focal point where you can see a little bit of both, and you can decide for yourself if you think you want to add this to your collection. Alright, so I guess that'll do, and see you around. Bye bye.